Hello, welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. It's hosted by myself, Crafty Girl Chronicles, and each and every week I plan out all the things that I have to do, but I also find some time to have some fun while I'm doing them. I don't stress if I can't get it all done at once. I do usually spread it over time if I have to, such as days, weeks and even months. But I never forget to take some time out for myself. It's all about self-care. I used to swim, but it's on hold at the moment. I do have a regular dance routine that I'm enjoying so much. I listen to music because I love music. I also listen to podcasts. I listen to audiobooks. I take a nap if I need to. I paint my nails when I want to, and I also go to the salon for a regular pedicure. I find it very therapeutic. I don't get it all right each and every week, but most of the weeks I do get my chores done. And sometimes because we stress, we don't get anything done. It's always a good way to just jot things down so you've got something to look at. You've got a guide that you can look at and do get productive with that guide. That way at least you've done a few things better than none at all. It's for today, Monday the 20th up until Sunday the 26th of July. It's zone 5 today, well this week, and I do follow the cleaning lady zone method. So I will talk about that in a little while. I do also have a little compulsory tasks that I carry out each and every week for myself as well. I'm still working on my DIY. I've been held up with it because I've found that I've got a leak in my toilet, so I've been waiting for the plumbers. For a couple of weeks now, the plumbers have been investigating where this leak is coming from, so I'm waiting for a plumber to attend today and to see if they can actually, complete the find, and so I can get on with the rest of it. I've done as much as I possibly can, but until that toilet is fixed, then I can't do any more. I've moved on to the bathroom. However, I needed to just do a little bit of painting, freshening up the skirting boards and just freshening up the grout along the windowsill. But I'm really desperate to get the toilet done. I moved all my chores that I used to do at the beginning of the week on a Monday to Tuesday now. That's where I'll start the chores. The only thing I do on a Monday is wash and dry. But I do my meal prep, I cook, and I do my budget. I also walk Archie twice for the day, and I try and do 8 laps around little recreational grounds that I have nearby. I don't get all 8 laps done sometimes, but I'm just grateful for what I can get done. So I've moved everything to Tuesdays now. What the brunt of the chores, I have moved it to Tuesdays, and I forgot to put beds, making the beds, changing them actually, changing the bed linen and stuff. That's that for the Monday. It's zone 5 of course, and I am going to tidy my craft room, do a little bit. I've got the alcoves to dust down and tidy, the top shelves, and also check my freezer and my fridge. I have got a bit more on zone 5 to do, but I'm not doing it all this week. I don't need to do any decluttering. I'm not going to look through the wardrobes either. Let's see what else. I'm not going to clean any windows, and I'm not going to clean the tumble dryer and the filters and also the washing machine this week. I'm not going to do that, but I will be doing my mopping and hoovering, and of course, as I said, the beds, and bleach the kitchen, the bathroom and the toilet. So that's what I'm going to do for this week. And I do spread it over the days as well as the zone method. I spread it over the days as well. I don't get everything done in one day. But on a Monday for my meal prep and my cooking and my budget, I do that on a Monday, and the wash and dry. So wash and dry continues on a Wednesday and a Friday, and Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday I fold and pack away the clothes that I've washed the previous day. Now let's go to Wednesday. I will be doing my budget. That's right. Monday and Wednesday and Friday I do my budget. I have a foot soak on a Wednesday and Sunday after church, and on a Thursday I do a little bit of ironing, and I do walk Archie Monday to Sunday twice a day, and I try and do my 8 laps Monday to Saturday, but I don't usually get them all done, you know. But I'm, as I said earlier on, I'm just grateful for what I can get done. And on a Sunday for me, I do try and do 4 laps. Sometimes I don't even get to do 4 laps because I'm just tired, all right? But nevertheless, it's about the intentions. It really, really is. It's going to be kind of sort of like a quiet week this week, because I'm going to really try and get my little DIYs done. Really coming along, and I'm really, really happy, because you know, some places in the house just needs a bit of freshening up, but once I've done it I will show you what I've done. So that is it. That's my plan for this week. Let's see what else. There's nothing planned for next week for now. It is subject to change, all of this. I normally add or omit throughout the week, throughout the days, and also do some further planning for the following week. So that is my hashtag plan fun, get things done. If you are interested, I would be happy, very happy for you to join along. It is free. It's an open collaboration. Anyone is welcome. All you have to do is plan out all your to-dos, your appointments and all that good stuff. Upload it, hashtag plan fun, get things done. And also, if you'd like to tag me at Crafty Girl Chronicles, I would really appreciate it. So that is me for this week. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'd like to say thank you so much to all my new subscribers, and also my existing subscribers, my returning subscribers. And I'd like to say hi to all the people that watch my channel but are not subscribed, and I would like to invite you to subscribe today if you'd like to do that. Here are the washi tapes that I've used, and I've had these for a very long time. They're still going strong and I'm happy to use them. And also I used this gold pen. It's the metallic Craftwork pen, water-based, low odor. They're really good. I like those. And also I have used my Bic, and that is a BU3 grip, and that's 1.0 I used. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.